Hello friends, today I'm going to tell how you can build a carousel layout in your project, in your website or in your React.js framework which you are using or next.js or such as JavaScript. How you can build a carousel layout within just 3 lines of a code in CSS as well as JavaScript. Let us discuss. First of all, what is carousel layout? The carousel layout plays an important role when you are building a professional website or application. For example, here you can see on your screen I have opened the Play Store app, and here you can see in the Play Store app you can see the carousel layout which I am sliding easily. Means in the carousel layout we can minimize the size of our application or a site, and we can decrease it, and we can easily adjust our post in the like a slider. You can see here is an the post is flowing like horizontally from right to left. Like this you can keep your post stress, and we can minimize the size of our site, due to which we can easily customize our site. So how to add this and how to create this carousel layout, let us discuss in this today's video. So first of all, I will open my terminal, and here I will start my next.js project. I will show you next.js. You can apply in any of the framework which you are using for your projects, and it plays very important role when you are building the clone of an website or a clone of any application. It plays important role because these carousel layouts is a very useful component in any of the application which you are using in today's life, such as social media, such as Instagram, which are scrolling the stories. You can see it plays the important role. So let us discuss how you can build in just 3 lines of code. So let us discuss. First of all, I will click in terminal ls command. After that, I will open my next.js project which I have created. You can create by just writing npx create next app, and after that you have to provide your application name. I will provide you in the description how to create a next app in your Android OS, and how to code a code editor, means how to code in Android and build our own next.js application. So let us open this directory. After opening this directory, I will run yarn dev command. Before running yarn dev command, you can see here I have the directories, some of the directories which is component, node modules, public, styles, pages. I will use pages and public directory for this project, means for showing you the carousel layout, and the rest of these files are, you can ignore it. So after that I will run this command yarn dev to run my server on localhost 3000. So you can see it will show us it is running. So I will wait for this, and after that I will go to my code editor. The server will start on localhost 3000. Afterwards I will show you. So first of all, I will open this my directory. This is a code editor. You can use in you can make your carousel layout in, so you can use any of the idea which you are familiar with. You can use a VS Code or any type of a code editor or spec editor. I am using a code editor which I am doing the, means I am running my server on the localhost 3000, and I am using a code editor, and this all the stuff I am doing on my Android OS. So you can use the VS Code or anything. So here I have created next project, and here you can see the public folder and pages folder in the next.js, and in the your React app you can see easily, or you can create in the JavaScript or CSS. You can understand easily how we have to use this the CSS. So first of all, in the public folder I have added one image where the image name is class.jpg, and I will use this jpg image to show you the carousel layout. So I have created one page here. You can see the carousel.js. If you are familiar with the next.js, and then you can understand how we can access this carousel.js in our localhost server, because all the next.js localhost server we can means with the pages created in the next.js we can easily access with just typing the localhost 3000 slash and our page name. So you can see I will paste your code. If you are familiar with the HTML, you can understand this code, and I will explain you further. Here at the top I have imported image from the next/image, and import styles from the style home.modules. You can understand this. I have imported for styling the this carousel layout. I have imported, means for displaying the flex I have used here some type of import model, means styles.home.module.css. style is a folder, and home.module.css is then a file to accessing the CSS. And here I have imported the image, which is the syntax of next.js, due to which we can import the images. We can use images in our next.js project. So here you can use the images as a tag, or this image components. I have used this because I can provide here width and height easily. So first of all, here I have created one parent tag which is known as div tag. You can see here this div tag is ending here, and after that inside this div tag there are 4 child. This one first div tag ending here, this is second div tag, means second child, This is third div tag, which is third child, and this is fourth div tag, which is fourth child of this div tag. This is the parent div child. So I have provided the style dot carousel on the parent div tag. So I will add the css here. I will add the css, and this home module.css is the styling folder which I can add easily. So here you can see the I have named the class name, that is carousel. You can see here I have provided the name of the class name, which is carousel, style.carousel to for assessing the style is an object. After that, here I will provide the display flex to align the all the posts into the horizontally. This is by default it is in horizontal. For displaying it columns, you can use the flex direction column, but I am not using because we have to show the carousel layout. After that, here I will provide a gap of 20 px, due to which the distance between the posts you can see easily between some of the gap. And after that, at last you have to write here overflow x, and you have to keep it for, auto. After that, let us save it, and after let us save this and let us open our server. First of all, here you can see I have run the my command failed to pack. Here our server is running successfully on localhost 3000. So let us open our localhost 3000, and we have to open the carousel localhost 3000 slash and the page name. In the next we get the features such as like this. So you can see here is our this battle. I have provided the battle, you can see, but why it is not showing in the carousel layout? Let us see. There is some of the mistake in our code, so let us find. Because the code is same, there is some mistake. I have provided a wrong name of the class name, I think so. So let us see. Here I have provided carousel, and here let us see carousel. So that's why I thought the class name is some of the mistake there is in the class name. So let us see. Now let us check our posts are in the carousel layout or not. So there's just 3 lines of code I have written, and you can see the carousel layout easily, and you can customize this with the help of the css. How you have to customize, it's depend on the you, and you can understand. This was the simple layout how you can build a carousel layout in your by scratch. It is by scratch you can build, and you can apply it in your project. So this was the step how to build a carousel layout. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. We will get in next video soon.